actually cardboard. Just a piece of crap.
What's a super easy way to tell if your couch is awful? The chainsaw test. We're here with Dick and Jane and their couch. Dick and Jane hate this couch. The chainsaw test states that if you cut a couch in half, you can see how it was constructed, revealing the reasons why it seemed like a good couch at first, but over time has become ugly, uncomfortable, and generally an unwelcome member of your family. Sort of like a hairless guinea pig. GP Home Furniture does offer a 1-year comprehensive warranty on all sofas they sell, and when you buy your sofa with them, you can choose from hundreds of different fabrics and upholstery options to customize the look and feel of your home. And with their fabric protection program, any stain on any sofa, and they'll repair it perfectly, or replace it. Click now and transform your sofa stitch forever at GP Home Furniture.